this last example, you will witness the creation of a beautiful abstract tree. She starts with a touch of Pebeo glazing resin applied with a popsicle stick to control the application, and then applies Gloss Studio Gel with a spatula for a gloss textured effect that will become transparent once dry. She also uses Modeling Paste Studio to create dimensional effects on the background of this piece. Studio Acrylic Sand Texture Gel is used for obtaining dimensional granular effects. To create the tree trunk, she uses Vitrail Transparent Sound Relief. And for the background, once everything is dry, Studio Acrylic Colors. Now let's add some colors to all of this. The artist begins by dropping cobalt blue and deep blue Vitrail colors on the piece to create the foliage of the tree. Then she manipulates these colors with a spatula to obtain the desired shape. When done, she adds color to the foliage by using Fantasy Moon paints. As seen before, it is possible to simply pour Fantasy Moon colors out of the jar, directly onto the piece. The artist here chooses to use popsicle sticks to have control over the moon color while pouring them over the Vitrail colors. A brush can also be used to extend the color or to simply apply it. The tool used always depends on the wanted effect. Here you can admire an example of an instantly hammered effect of Fantasy Moon colors. See how vivid the colors are when combined with Vitrail colors. To complete the piece, the artist adds Studio Acrylic colors over the previously painted background and uses the black Vitrail Sound Relief to highlight the tree trunk. For the final touch, she applies silver Pebeo Mirror Effect Metal Leaf to add ultra shiny effects to the piece over the previously applied dry Pebeo Relief Gilding Paste. There you have it, a beautiful piece with breathtaking effects achieved with a few mediums and colors and a little imagination and a flick of a brush.